Welcome again. In this video, we'll show you how to manually import a weather Excel file if the API call didn't work for you. First, click the Download button to open climate1building.org. Then, navigate to the desired location and download the zipped weather file. Choose the .epw file to open with Notepad. Press Ctrl-A on your keyboard and copy all the text to paste it in a new Excel file. In the Excel file, select the entire first column, then go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. Click Next. Uncheck Tab. Select Comma, then click Finish. Columns G and H are the dry bulb and dew point temperatures, respectively. And that's all you need to import into CogenS. Reformatting your Excel file, save it, then import it into CogenS project info page. Make sure to choose the units to be in degrees Celsius and the interval to be hourly. That's it. See you in the next video.